Hey guys, Levi here for the Rag Company, and with me, Miss Sydney Gwynn from PNS. And today, she's going to show us how to use the new Inspiration VUE Glass Coating. Now, on Gabe's truck here, I've already polished the front windshield in preparation. I've paint prepped it. We also did the same to this side window, but for this video, we thought we'd show you on the side window just because it's much easier than me getting on a rack and then Dane trying to climb out of the sunroof, and it's just going to be a mess. So we're going to do it like this. So Sydney, thanks for coming.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So we have our brand new glass coating, which is the latest addition to the Inspiration coating family. So inside this box, we have the glass coating, which comes in a lovely little blue bottle, and we have an applicator. So let's set that aside. And this could not be any easier. So this is going to be a one towel removal and not super picky on what kind of towel you use. So with this product, you have a lot of working time. You can see the flash. It's super, super easy.
So first things first, we've polished this with Clarity Creme.
Yep, which is our new glass polish, and that's just going to prep the glass so we get a better bond.
Okay, and then we've hit it with surface coating paint prep.
Yep, same thing you'd use for a coating.
Okay.
So this is going to cross-link with the glass just like a coating.
Perfect.
So super easy. We're gonna grab our applicator, and I put a good generous amount, especially the first time.
Yep.
I'm gonna hand that to you, and I'll do half and you do half.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna draw a line. So I always use the box method. So we're just gonna draw a box, and you can see that on there.
Oh yeah.
It's really easy to see where you've been. All right, so there's that. It's gonna flash. Now, the nice thing about the glass coating is you have a good several, 30 to 60 seconds to wipe it off.
Yeah.
So you're not gonna be rushed. So I usually do on the windshield, I'll do half, wipe it off, do the other half, wipe it off.
Yeah.
But you've got plenty of time.
Okay.
So
now it's
like
on.
Levi said, we're showing it on this, but you can use it on the windshield, the back. You can go all around, whatever you'd like. So now we just need any towel, whatever towel of your choice.
Cool.
And if you want to zoom in on there, you can see that rainbow flashing effect.
Yeah, it's like an oil slick on water, as we've always said.
Yep, so that means it's almost ready to come off.
Okay, so we're just going to use a pearl weave on this.
Super easy wipe off. You're just going to buff it off like normal.
Oh, wow.
And it's super slick. You can feel it right away.
Cow.
And you have plenty of work time, so you can check for high spots. Really easy.
Yeah, that came off easier than when you clean the window.
Yeah. Yep.
That made a huge difference. So fast, so quick.
So fast. So some of the benefits of this product are going to be water repellency. It's going to give you that added advantage. For the windshield specifically, you're going to have better night vision. It's going to help kind of that starring, gives a really clear outlook. Okay. You're also going to defend against things like sap, tree, bugs, things like that are going to wash right off. Literally, if you have it on your windshield and you go on a trip and you have bugs, you could literally take a wet paper towel and just wipe them right off. Super easy for cleaning, and it's going to give you a little bit of just protection from the environment, sand and gravel, things like that.
All the other stuff.
And it's super slick. And then it makes cleaning them completely streak-free, which is super awesome.
Really slick.
Yeah.
And I'm impressed. Well, thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
So
no problem.
You'll be able to purchase this product from the Rag Company. That's the new Inspiration VUE Glass Coating. Sydney, thank you for coming and doing this.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. Yeah. And as always, guys, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.